This short video covers the proper steps for activating Raptor 2K aerosols. Begin by removing the red button underneath the instructions taped to the cap. Invert the can and notice the stem protruding from the bottom of the can. Set the can on a solid flat surface and place the button over the stem. Grasp the base of the can with one hand and firmly press down on the button with the other hand until you feel it pop. Once it pops, the activator has been released. Remove the button and shake the can for approximately 2 minutes to fully activate the Raptor. Never slam down on the button with your hand or slam the can into a tabletop. Never try to activate the can while holding it because you may bend or damage the stem. If the stem is damaged, this could cause product to leak from the bottom of the can. For additional information on Raptor 2K aerosols or any U-POL product, please visit our website at www.u-pol.com.